Hello again from Ankara. We came to see a project constructed by one of the most important construction companies in Turkey, which is Simpaş. I am already in the project and we will go into details. This is Muhammed Yildirim from Imtilak. Our project was built on 26,000 square meters, containing of 6 blocks. I have 4 blocks in front of me. There are 3+1 and 4+1. The other 2 blocks are on a separate maquette. There are 1+1 and 2+1. Our project has a complete shopping center of markets that will be very good for your daily needs. In addition to a garage, fits 1,200 cars. This is the sample flat of the project. 4+1, 220 square meters. The net is 150. Take a look and see the details. Ege complex is on a hill that has 3 main views: the valley, the city center, and the lake. And this feature is one of a kind in Ankara. Contact Imtilak for more details. See you.